What if I tell you the EV taxi you booked for a green ride could be stuck in a massive corporate fraud? Welcome to Blue Smart Controversy. From eco heroes to accused fraudster, this is a story which is far from over. ब्लू स्मार्ट, जिसे कुछ वक्त पहले सेलिब्रेट किया जाता था एज इंडियाज इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी पायनियर, along with its parent company Gensol Engineering, are accused of committing a massive corporate fraud and जिसके कारण वो सेबी की सीरियस स्क्रूटिनी में है. जेंसॉल इंजीनियरिंग ने 850 करोड़ का लोन उठाया था फॉर प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक व्हीकल्स फॉर ब्लू स्मार्ट सर्विसेज. उस 850 करोड़ के लोन अमाउंट में से 568 करोड़ was transferred for procurement of electronic vehicles and 262 करोड़ were transferred, rather diverted for personal asset. उस पर्सनल असेट में से उन्होंने खरीदा एक लग्जूरियस अपार्टमेंट और कुछ हाई एंड गोल्फ इक्विपमेंट्स. सेबी ने अपने इंटरिम ऑर्डर में ये फाइंडिंग दी दैट देयर इज अ मिसयूटिलाइजेशन एंड डाइवर्जन ऑफ फंड of the company in a fraudulent manner by its promoter director Anmol Singh Jaggi and Puneet Singh Jaggi, who was also the direct beneficiary of the diverted fund. Second, the company has attempted to mislead SEBI, CRAs, the lenders and investor by submitting the forged conduct letter purportedly issued by the lenders. Third, the order also showed that how the promoter and related parties or relatives benefited from the funds of Gensol, a listed company, through layered transaction. Such transaction qualify as a related party transaction in terms of the LODR regulation. Accordingly, such transaction was required to be disclosed as per the provision of Regulation of 4 and 48 of LODR Regulation 2015, read with the applicable accounting standard, which Gensol has allegedly failed to do. In findings को देते हुए सेबी ने ये भी डायरेक्शन इशू that Jaggi brothers will be restrained from holding the position of director or key managerial personnel in Gensol until further orders. The Gensol Engineering and Jaggi brothers will be restrained from buying, selling or dealing in securities either directly or indirectly in any manner whatsoever until further orders. The Gensol Engineering is directed to put on hold the stock split announced by it. SEBI has also appointed a forensic auditor to examine the books of account of Gensol Engineering and its related parties. मीनवाइल ऑरिक्स कॉर्पोरेशन, जिन्होंने काफी सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक व्हीकल्स को लीज पे दिया था टू ब्लू स्मार्ट सर्विसेज, दे हैव आल्सो मूव टू दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट alleging that there is a default in the payment of loan amount and they are apprehensive that Gensol Engineering will be transferring or improperly transferring the asset to the third party. ये सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट को सुनते हुए दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने Gensol Engineering को रेस्ट्रेन कर दिया from transferring, alienating, leasing, subleasing the property or the assets, the electronic vehicles which was taken on loan to any third party.